This video demonstrates the grounding procedure for the AIRGUARD DRYLAM layer. AIRGUARD cables developed by Prysmian Group are a high-performance cable solution with reduced diameter and weight, providing exceptional protection from fluid penetration, chemical aggression, and mechanical forces. To begin, cut back the DRYLAM layer to the required distance. Using appropriate tool, make 2 cuts in the DRYLAM layer 1 inch long. Make sure the aluminum layer is also cut. Carefully lift the DRYLAM layer to allow the cheese grater to be positioned under the laminate. This step will ensure the DRYLAM layer is grounded. Slide the cheese grater under the DRYLAM layer. Place a hose clamp over the DRYLAM layer and position it in the area of the tines. Tighten the hose clamp to secure it. Apply 2 layers of EPR tape over the hose clamp to cover any sharp edges. If a potted gland is required, use the lug on the cheese grater to make the ground connection using the appropriate ground wire. Place 1 layer of mastic at the cable jacket interface. Separate and fold down the ground wires where the mastic was applied. It is good practice to make sure each of the wire strands is encased in waterproof mastic. For each of the conductors, align the solder block with the previously applied waterproof mastic. Secure the ground braid temporarily with a wrap of PVC tape at the top of the ground braid. Make sure the long side of the braid is down in order to exit the bottom of the termination. Repeat for each conductor. Secure the ground wires and ground braids using the large constant force spring. Make sure at least one of the ground braids is in contact with the surface of the exposed cheese grater. Apply a second layer of mastic over the previously applied mastic, trapping the ground wires and ground braids between the 2 layers. Cover the constant force spring and mastic with 1 half-lapped layer of PVC tape. This completes the grounding procedure for the AIRGUARD DRYLAM layer.